Today's a special day. I'm actually on a proper day trip, like all day, not just like an hour and a half before sunset or something. Pretty trippy to get a full day where you can just like sit on the side of the bank. I think what I'm gonna do is finish up my tea, or at least finish it up a little more, and then fish some more. Is that a surprise? This right in front of me looks pretty deep. I don't know if I actually put the camera in the right spot. I've fished this river before, but I'm not experienced with it, so I don't want to just be like flying up to it. Just really don't know what the deal is at this river, but there's a strange eddy in the middle of it, so I'm just gonna cast in there and catch fish. Little brownie. Hopefully I don't just pull anything out of there. Cool. Cool. Wow, beautiful spots. One thing I kind of remembered about this river before is if you get close to the bottom, you pretty much can guarantee you're gonna get sticks. So you gotta either really suss it or like suspend maybe. This guy's trying to get in all those sticks over there. Looks like a nice little fish. Beautiful fish, huh? Thanks, buddy. There's that fly. Caught a couple fish, not bad. When I walked in, I spooked the 3 that were sitting right here. So I kind of figured that the fishing wouldn't be epic. This spot is freaking cool. It just reminds me of like, what does it remind me of? Like maybe like Sonora Junction in like California. And the fall colors, it's probably just like last night and the last few nights of first cold nights. So fall colors are just kind of starting to like show into some of the trees. Well, there's like some mayflies coming off. A lot of mosquitoes. Oh. Casting for sure out of frame. That guy came for the dry. And then must have seen me because as soon as I got him on the dry that time, he followed it downstream like however far. Got one pretty good run in him. That's about it. Oh, hello, get over here. Stripped in too much line again. Little dry fly guy. Sweet. I'm just gonna pretend that I'm not soaking wet fucking under my waders with just disgusting sweat. There's a fish. Got some obstacles to dance around, that's for sure. Keep him upstream. Uh-oh, he's in some sticks. Coolio. Watched some video recently. This dude's like talking about what euro nymphing is. And he says it's dredging the bottom. Dude, shit cracks me up. Oh, big fish looked at it. Oh, and I got him. On the dry. Oh, I hope my tippet's good. That's a big fish. I figured he'd take it. He's not fighting too much. Guess he's not as big as I thought he was. Decent fish for sure. Oh, fuck, he rooster-tailed me. There must be some sort of undercut there that I'm personally not able to see, because both fish have gone to it. Okay, be dope if I'm not chuffing this fish. He's got a kype on him. I'll show it with the dry fly in its mouth. I don't know if you can see the... Dude, I'm too nervous to do that. I wonder where people get their fishing knowledge. You know what I mean? Like, where are people acquiring this fake knowledge about fishing? It's kind of cool to show. That's my tripod in the water. You can see how close to danger I get it. Wait, it's grass blocking the screen. See how close to danger I get it when I'm showing off them fish. It's pretty cool. My hat always is crooked, huh? I'm really debating this crooked hat nickname. If you give yourself a nickname, is that like bad form? You know? Look at this. What in the world? The river's over there and past those like willows are over there. I think the farmers must have dug this out for the cattle. Be crazy though to see a big fish in there, huh? Dude, this freaking jasmine green tea is just something else. Oh, nice fish. Potentially. It's decent. Keep your head up. Decent fish. I could have sworn to God I just saw a buffalo midge. It's probably another mosquito. That's kind of like been my thing this summer, is like thinking mosquitoes are midges. This last winter, I think, was the first time I actually knew what a midge really looked like. I just would see Griffith's gnat. And I would just see those, so I had no idea what... The fish just rose again. It just fucking rose again. Who needs lunch? Let's catch this fish. I wonder what this is gonna look like on camera. I gotta move this thing. It's not exactly a natural looking bug, I don't think, right now. Giant caddis, size 10 or 12. Size 10 caddis. I want to give it enough lead time. He doesn't seem to be buying what I'm selling, that's for sure. Casting closer and closer to the bank. Maybe he's kind of sitting over there. You must know I'm a phony. He's a phony! He's a great big phony! On the dry, baby! Don't go by the camera. Kept him upstream. This guy's spunky. Jeez Louise, this guy's spunky. Coolio. Cool spots. Really cool spots. All right, buddy, go on get. Dude, what is the deal with this tea? Why is it so freaking, I'm like boiling. It's delicious. Okay, I am, for shows he's not gonna be in this frame. Okay, I kinda need to get this drift right, so sooner I stop faffing about, the better. And there was, and it was a sick freaking take. It's a nice fish. That could be fish of the day if we stand a chance of getting him in. I don't know. He's doing some things that I'm not psyched about. Into the fucking net, baby. Look at the light right behind me. That's what I'm talking about. Those bushes light up. That looks kind of dope. I mean, the lighting on me is not so great, but who cares about me? Scratch audio with tons of wind, so hopefully this works out. Man, I was just fishing up there off camera. I have like no record time left and I haven't gotten really any B-roll for the day. It's a beautiful spot, so I wanted to get more B-roll. But anyways, I was over there fishing and I heard some sheep in the bushes and I went back, and then they freaking stampeded me. It was like 4 of them came flying out of the bushes at me. I had to jump in the river. That would have been hilarious on camera, but I was like a little girl. I was like, ah, like so scared, or like, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna hike out and call it. Off camera, I did okay. I think when I have the camera, I just feel too stuck to one spot, and I think getting stuck to one spot is not the best. So I'm gonna hike out, and I have a few minutes left on this card, so maybe I can get some B-roll somewhere. The freaking sheep, they look sick, but scared to get more shots. Maybe it was like a bad omen to like film them. Is that a thing? Does anyone know? Okay.